Hello guys. Today I am telling you how you can create a purchase invoice in BizOps app. Purchase invoice. If you have taken any item, goods or any services, then you can create a purchase invoice to keep a record of it. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for our upcoming videos and updates. So let's start. By default, Action tab is opened here. Click on Transactions tab from above. Now click on the plus icon in front of the purchase invoice. From here, select Supplier. By default I have created supplier, that's why it is showing here, but if you want to create a new supplier, then you can create it by clicking on the above plus icon. I have already made a video of how to create a customer and supplier. You can watch it by clicking on the above I button. For now I am selecting from here. To select the transaction type, click on the above drop-down icon. Here you have two options, import purchase and purchase. If you have purchased the items from out of country, then select import purchase from here. But if you have purchased the items from same state, then select purchase from here. By default, purchase is selected here, so I will keep selected it. Click on close below to close this. Above you can see your purchase invoice number. If you want to change it, then you can do it by clicking on the purchase invoice number. Here you can edit the number and change it. After doing this, click on OK. Next option is date. By default, today's date is selected. If you want to change the date, then you can do by clicking on the calendar icon. Click on the calendar icon. If you also want to select the back date, then you can do it from here, and after selecting the date, click on OK. Next option is state place of supply. By default Delhi is selected. If you want to change the state place of supply, then you can change by clicking on the drop-down icon. I am not changing for now, so I am clicking on close from below. State place of supply is related to GST. If you are dealing in the same state, then CGST and SGST will be applicable in your invoice. But if you are dealing in a different state, then IGST will be applicable in your invoice. Next option is bill number. Here you can add the bill number. Right now I am adding it for example purpose only. You can do accordingly. Next option is bill date. By default today's date is selected. If you want to change the date, then you can change by clicking on the calendar icon. Below are the three options for selecting tax. None. If there is no tax applicable on your items/purchase invoice, then select none option from here. Exclusive. If there is tax included on your item/product value, then select exclusive option from here. Inclusive. If there is tax included on your purchase invoice total amount, then select inclusive option from here. If we select exclusive option or inclusive option from here, then below one more option is appear, which is RCM, reverse charge mechanism. RCM, we enable it in a case in which GST has to be paid to the receiver. For example, if our business is registered and we are taking items or services from unregistered, in that case RCM will be applicable. You can enable RCM applicable by clicking on the checkbox. Right now, we are not enabling. Next one is item. You can add item in your purchase invoice by clicking on the plus item button. By default, I have already created item, that's why it's showing here. If you want to create new item, then you can create by clicking on the above plus icon. For now, I'm selecting Dove from here. Item is selected. Next option is rate. You can add price here for your item. Quantity, add quantity here, how many quantities you are selling. For example, I'm adding 10. Discount, if you want to give discount on the individual items, then add discount here. You can give discount in percentage here, and you can give discount in value here as well. Next one is tax category. If you want to change tax category, then you can change by clicking on the drop-down icon. From here you can change. For now I am not changing, so I am clicking on close from below. Next one is HSN, already added. If you want to change, then you can change. Notes, if you want to add notes, then you can add here. After filling all the details, click on the Done button to save the details, and if you want to add more items in the same invoice, then you can add new item by clicking on the Done and New button. Right now, I am not adding more items, that's why I'm clicking on the Done button to save details. See, your item is added here. You can see all the information here: quantity, GST, etc. Charges. If you want to add any extra charges on your invoice, then you can add by clicking in the plus charges button, for example packing charge, delivery charge, etc. Click on the plus charges button. By default, I have already created, that's why it's showing here. If you want to create new charges, then you can create by clicking on the above plus icon. For now, I am selecting delivery charges from here. Percentage, add percentage here. Click on the Done button from above to save details. See delivery charges added here. Discount. If you want to add any extra discount on your invoice, then you can add by clicking in the plus discount button. Click on the plus discount button. By default, here already created discount, that's why it's showing here. If you want to create new discount, then you can create by clicking on the above plus icon. For now, I'm selecting discount from here. Percentage, add percentage here. Advanced properties, click on the drop-down icon. Here you've two options: net value and value of goods. If you want to add a discount on the net amount of your invoice, then keep selected net value, which is already selected, and if you want to add discount on the value of goods, means on the amount of your items, then select value of goods option. For now, I'm selecting net value option. Click on the Done button from above to save details. Discount added here. Next option is TDS. If you want to add TDS, then you can add by clicking on the plus TDS button. TDS is applied on services, as I have added item here, so I am not adding TDS here. But if you are adding any service in your invoice, then you can add TDS. Let me show you how you can add TDS. Click on plus TDS button. First option is select ledger. Click on the drop-down icon to select ledger. By default, here ledgers are already created, but if you want to create more, then you can create by clicking on the above plus icon. For now I am not selecting anything from here, so I am clicking on close from below. Next option is TDS applied on value. Here you can add value, that on how much value you will apply TDS. Next option is TDS percentage, add percentage here, that how much percent TDS you want to apply. Next option is TDS amount. Here after adding percentage, TDS amount will be automatically calculated and appear here. After filling all details of TDS, click on OK. For now I am clicking on close from below. Round off. If you want to do a round off amount of your invoice total amount, then click on the checkbox on left next to round off option. For example, your invoice amount is 418.95. If you want to do the amount in round off, then click on the checkbox. After clicking on the checkbox, invoice amount will be round off. Click on the checkbox. You can see here. If you want to remove, then unselect the checkbox. For now I am clicking on the checkbox to keep round off amount of this bill. Next one is notes. You can add notes here by clicking on the notes. Click on the notes. Add notes here, whatever you want to add. I am adding for showing you only, you can add accordingly. After adding details, click on OK to save details. Note added here. Next option is other details. For adding other details, click on the other details. First option is PO number. Add purchase order number here. I am adding for example purpose only, you can add according to you. Next one is PO date. Add purchase order date here. Click on the drop-down icon, select date from here. Next one is BILTI number. Add BILTI number here. I am adding for example purpose only, you can add according to you. Next one is BILTI date. Add select date from here by clicking on the calendar icon. Now click on the Done button from above right corner to save details. See other details added here. Next one is transportation details. For adding transportation details, click on the transportation details. First option is mode. Select mode by clicking on the drop-down icon. Here you have 4 options: air, rail, road, ship. If your parcel is going or coming by air, then select air from here. If your parcel is going or coming by rail, then select rail from here. If your parcel is going or coming by road, then select road from here. If your parcel is going or coming by ship, then select ship from here. I am selecting road from here. Next one is transporter. Select transporter by clicking on the drop-down icon. By default, I've already created transporter here, that's why it's showing here. If you want to add new transporter, then you can add by clicking on the above plus icon. For now I am selecting the created one from here. Next one is LRCR/RR number. Here you can add LRCR/RR number, mean you can add license number or railway receipt number, etc. I am adding for example purpose only, you can add accordingly. Next one is vehicle number. Add vehicle number here. After filling all the details, click on the Done button from above to save the details. See transportation details showing here. Next one is attachments. If you want to add any photo/image here, then you can add by clicking on the attachment icon. If you don't want to pay payment against this purchase invoice, then you can directly save this invoice by clicking on the Save button below. Or if you want to pay payment against this purchase invoice, then click on the On Credit option from below. Here by default On Credit option is selected. For change payment mode you have to click on the drop-down icon. From here you can change payment mode. By default On Credit is selected. Now here you can add details about your payment, that how would you pay your payment, by cash or through bank, credit card, phone pay, Paytm, NEFT, RTGS, etc. You can select payment mode accordingly. If you are paying your payment in 2 ways, like half payment through cash or half payment you receive through online, so you do your payment entry by using split option, which is showing above. For enable this option, click on the Enabled Disable icon above. Next right to split option. Now you can add details of your payment. Below first option is cash. If you are paying in cash, then click on the checkbox next left to cash. And add amount, how much amount you are paying in cash. For example, I am adding 19 in cash. And the rest amount, which is rupees 400. That amount I am paying through phone pay. So click on the checkbox next left to phone pay option. If you are paying rupees 200 from phone pay and rupees 200 from Paytm, so you can do entry accordingly as well, like add 200 on phone pay and click on the checkbox next left to Paytm and rupees 200 here. After filling all the details, click on the Done button to save the payment details. See payment mode details showing here. Click on the Save button below to save your purchase invoice. See your purchase invoice is saved. Here your purchase invoice preview is open, all the details showing here: item, GST, total amount, etc. From the below options, if you want to send this, then click on the Send button below. If you want to share this, then click on the Share button. If you want to take print out of this, then click on the Print button. If you want to download this, then click on the Download button. If you want to create a new purchase invoice, then click on the plus New button. Now I am going out by clicking on the Back button. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for our upcoming videos and updates.